Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and today I'm going to change our membership levels. So right now we have a bunch of students on various levels. We don't have anyone on the Microsoft Office Pro. I tried doing something new, trying to make this TestOut Office Pro a little bit more affordable, $49.99. We do have students on this level, but all the content is pretty much the same, and I put it on this level. It's been months. No one has joined, so I don't know why, but we are going to edit this level. We're going to keep it the same where you get all the same content, but we're going to call this Super Fan 100. And what I'm going to do now until hopefully we have at least 100 members, that's our goal. I will keep this level here, and the perks, you're going to get everything, absolutely everything on the channel. So I'm going to add the perk, all content. All member only content. So you're going to get pretty much everything, absolutely everything. So you're going to have a separate playlist, view playlist. And if you are on a higher level, that means you could just downgrade to this. I'm just going to click on done. So, and then hopefully if I don't have enough members, my goal is 100, then I'll probably just, again, remove it and then keep the TestOut Office Pro separate and the certification exam separate. But right now, I'm going to give it is January 16th, 2026, let's say to the end of June. I think that's plenty time. Let's try to get everyone moved over to the Superfan. And then that way I could just remove these two levels and do something new. So we're just trying to make this a little bit more affordable. And I hope you guys join this level. So it's going to be called Superfan 100. Starting, it's pretty quick. Once I save and exit and publish this, I don't know, it should be up and running by tomorrow, my guess. So join Superfan. You'll have pretty much absolutely everything on the channel at a low price of $24.99. All right. Thanks for watching. Thank you, my existing members, and all the best to you and your schoolwork. Till next time. Bye.